Now, now to make the sound, do you know if they actually go out to a rail yard with digital recording equipment and record all these things, or how do they do it?
That's how they do it.
Uh,
Yeah.
you
They're
know,
too real sounding.
I know, it's just like, it's just a, they have the sounds right on cue when you speed
Right.
up and slow down.
Right. Yeah. No, they have to record all that. Unless somebody's developed a system that does that, I don't know. I mean, in the Hollywood industry, they got all sorts of
oh yeah.
sound machines.
I mean, yeah, like with the steam locomotives. I mean, they have it down so perfectly when they speed up and slow
Right,
down
right.
and whistle, and just amazing. Victor,
Yeah.
Victor, does this steam daylight over here look at all the one the orange and black one?
What about it?
Well, does it work?
Well, the problem with it's a 484.
Yeah.
It has so many wheels, and the front wheels are a bad design. I've got a black one here too.
Uh-huh.
The black one was better made,
Uh-huh.
and I think, Jeremy, that my radiuses are too sharp for the wheels to stay on the track. I think they're designed for a very gradual curve.
Oh,
But
yeah.
the 484s are buggers. They just don't want to stay on the rails. The front four are loose, and they just don't hug it. It's irritating.
Oops. Well, yeah, yeah, but, well, you know, does it maybe that they're not made for this kind of, I mean, they have to be in a specific kind of track or something?
Well, it can be on this track, but the curves are too sharp. It has to be a long, slow curve. Here, I'll put this one here on. I'll show you.